Hello everyone, this is my review of this Spectracide Weed and Grass Killer. You can use this product to kill weed and grass around your house, in walkways, areas, and cracks, and it's coming up on your driveway and different areas, even in your garden. It has a pump action spray, and you can adjust the nozzle so you can do a stream or spray or turn it off so you don't have like kids spraying it all over the place when they find they'll get into it. Just keep it out of reach of children. Um, this spray works really well to kill the weeds. You can see some results in about a day. You'll see them maybe start discoloring and start look like they're dying. So it's a pretty good spray to use to kill your weeds and grass in areas that you just don't want them so they don't grow back in that same area. So I hope that this review helps.